Okay friends, so I copied my prompt to my productivity prompts library here. I called this prompt summarize text to bullet points, and you can see I gave the task to the model. Your task is to create a concise summary. I gave it some context on how I want the summary to be. Then I told the model you should adhere to the given bullet points number. So you can see here I gave it 3 inputs: number of minimum bullet points, maximum number of bullet points, and the provided text. So the model should adhere to these numbers, and I asked it to format the response, the output, into bullet points and add emojis when relevant. And at the end, of course, we are going to provide the text. So now I will use this prompt in my script. Look at my script. I simply created 2 variables here to make things simple. Selected model, so I can use it always in my code without repeating GPT-3.5 and so on. So I can simply use this variable inside my functions. And here's the input text that we are going to summarize. We can paste it here. And here is my prompt. I got it from the productivity prompts library. You can see here we imported it as we learned before. Then I used the summarize text to bullet points prompt. This is the name of the prompt. Then dot format, and I pass the parameters minimum, maximum, and text, as we learned before also, minimum, maximum, and text. So in this way you can see how easy it is to manage your prompts and to deal with them directly in any script you have. We have the prompt. Then I will calculate the estimated cost. So I will get the token count with the count tokens function that we created before, then estimate the costs with the estimate input cost and print the cost. Then I will call the generic method that we created to generate text with OpenAI with a selected model, and then print the results. I think the idea now is simple. We have the input, we have the prompt, we can calculate the token and the cost, and we can call the model to generate text based on our prompt. Now we need to enter our input text. So let's open my website, go to my blog, for example, to test with some text. Let's open this blog post and let's copy this paragraph. Copy, Ctrl C, go to my code. And in Python, if you want to paste large paragraphs without getting any errors, always use triple quotes, paste, and you can see now we have the paragraph, the input text. Let's now test our script, run. The cost is $0.0004. Very nice. And here we are. This is the summary. The result, API stands for application, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So we have the summary and everything is awesome. So think about this as a template for testing any prompt you want. You just change the input, you change the model if you want, you change the prompt, and you run, and you get the cost with the results. Of course, later on, we will see how we can read a blog post directly from your script in a workflow, read a blog post and summarize it, read a YouTube video and summarize it, and much more.